5 reasons why you should buy non-grade kits.
Disclaimer, hindi ako expert sa field ng Gunpla. I just started a year ago. But anyways, here's your first reason why. The first one is vintage, okay? It's very rare. It's really hard to come by. So pag nakakita na kayo sa Shopee ng ganito, just grab yourself some. It's actually that good. Keep in mind though, ang hirap niya i-collect kasi bihira na lang sila. But like I said, go grab yourself some and enjoy building. Malalaman nyo rin pag nagkaroon na kayo. Well, I can speak for myself, but I don't know kung experiences nyo. Let me know in the comments below. Alright, yung next reason natin, it's really cheap. Like I said, it ranged from 300 pesos to actually 600 pesos. I think bababa pa doon, but either way, hindi siya ganun kamahal like your high-grade Gundams, like probably, I don't know, RX-78-2 ng Origins maybe, or maybe yung Global, or any other kind of high-grade Gundams na nag-ranges from 1,500 plus and beyond. So like I said, if you want to save up, this is the best chance you could get na makapag-build ng cheap Bandai kits. Okay, next one is easy to build. Actually, medyo na-surprise ako kasi akala ko nung bata ako, hindi ako magkakaroon ng pera and to actually buy myself some cool Gundam kits. And here I am, pretty money, and then it throws me back actually. I can't imagine this cool looking Dragon Gundam is really easy to build. I thought it was like, yeah, marami ano dito. Kailangan ko siya i-glue, kailangan ko siyang straight out of the box. Maganda siya i-build. It's very easy. That's it. And now, for our next reason is, wala siya ganong stickers. Not a lot of stickers actually. I can show you one. Right freaking now. Habang binubuksan ko tong box, wait lang. There we go. Okay, so ito yung nasa Dragon Gundam ko. See? It's not a lot of stickers. It's like negative and positive. Negative if you are a really into stickers. Hindi ka mag-enjoy dito. It's like yung sa mata. Probably sa, I don't know, other parts ng Dcas, maybe sa may hita and stuff like that. Di ka mag-enjoy dito. On a good note, if you're not a fan of stickers, then this is for you. Wala ka problema sa stickers, that's it. You just stick them and go. Yun lang yun. Alright, let's move on to the last one. Okay, this one is also like up and down. Nilas ko talaga to because this is a little sensitive lalo sa mga purists and they are not really attractive. But wait lang. With a twist, okay? Pwede naman kasi customize yan, okay? So, may mga kagaya ko na nagtitipid or should I say na nag-explore pa sa hobby and naiisip ko na, hey, paano kung bilang ko kaya to ng Gundam marker or panel liners? Yes! Or something like that. Paano kaya kung ganito, ganyan? I think I should use Tamiya or Pilox or kung anong klase mga items sa mga Gunpla ko. You could do that. Especially this one. Kaya lang medyo sensitive tong yung plastic quality na itong non-grades is it's not the best, but again, like I said, kung kaya mo maging creative with your non-grade unit, or should I say Gunpla model, it's not that bad. You can customize it as much as you want. The only problem to that is it's going to be very, very challenging. Pakita ko kayo na sample. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks ugly, diba? So like I said, it's going to be a big challenge. But I'm not saying it's impossible. I mean, this is still not complete. I'm still kind of curious kung ano yung tsura na ito pagkatapos. But anyway, that's it. Think of it parang makeover, kind of like. So mayroong not really attractive person and then you wanted to make them really, really attractive in their own respective ways. Yun na lang yun. I don't want to offend anyone who really like old kids, but like I said, this is based on my experience and I really love non-grades. Like I said, kinatry ko talaga na i-collecta sila as much as I want and I can.
Great!
Hanggat may pera tayo, gagastos tayo para sa non-grade. But hey, here are some suggestions that you might really like to try. Well, meron din namang kits na nasa 900 price range. They're kind of on par sa G Gundam series. I don't know, hindi ko kayang i-explain sa inyo, but you will see the difference ng Gundam Wing series. This one is G Gundam. This one is different. Oh my god, nakakainis. Anyways, ayan, malino naman na G series siya. It's letter G right there. Ayun nga. So yun, kung gusto nyo mag-try ng units ng Gundam Wing, they're a little pricey than the G series. Pero, like I said, it's your money, it's your choice. But anyways, hanggang dito na lang muna. So, that's all for me for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.